Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Giorgi and today I got some cool stuff to talk about. So I've been buying stuff online for a while now and some things just really stand out. That goes for the prices too. For example, these sunglasses I'm holding right here. I've got these for years and let me tell you that they really impressed me. These are wooden frame sunglasses and I remember when I first bought them, I was not sure if they'd last. But here we are after all this time and they're still going strong. The best part? They were super affordable. I dropped these so many times I lost count. I'm talking about concrete floors, rough handling, you name it. But guess what? These sunglasses didn't break or crack. It's honestly pretty amazing and a big reason why I like them so much. Wooden frames give them this unique, earthy look. It's like they're just go with any outfit, no matter what I'm wearing. Also, it's not gonna contain bacteria as much as the plastic frame ones over time, since wood is proven to be naturally antibacterial. They were actually really cheap. I got them only for $10. It came with this little cleaning cloth and this picture that will test if they're polarized or not. So description says if glasses are polarized, you should be able to see the fish on a picture when you're wearing the glasses, and as you can see, it's pretty much seeable. So next on this list we got this laser pointer here. First off, check out the design. It's built to last. It has a metal shell, so it's super durable. It feels pretty premium in your hand. Green color looks so vibrant, especially when you're using it at night. One of my favorite features is the fact that it's USB rechargeable. You don't even need a cable. It's all built in into the laser itself. You just plug the USB head straight into any USB port and you're good to go. Now, the real magic happens when you turn this thing on at night. The laser can reach up to 3 to 4 kilometers, making it perfect for stargazing, signaling, or just having some fun. And here's another cool thing. It comes with this little cap that spreads the laser beam out. It turns your laser into something like a mini disco show. It's super fun, but keep in mind when you use the cap, the range is going to drop significantly. But still, how awesome is that effect? So to wrap things up, the laser pointer is seriously one of the coolest gadgets I've picked up in a while. It's got a great range, USB recharging, and a fan cap for when you want to get creative with it. And it was only for $10. Next we have a protein powder container. It's compact and practical. If you go to gym, there's a high chance you're taking supplements, and if that's the case, you'll find this item useful. So first off, the container is transparent so you can easily see how much powder you have left. No more guessing when you're about to run out. Plus it comes with this little detachable peel box on top, perfect for storing your vitamins or supplements for the day. The funnel shaped head, it makes it so easy to pour the powder inside, whether you're filling the container or just putting it into your shaker. No mess, no spills, just quick and clean. Like I said, compact, functional, and makes your gym life a whole lot easier. This container was around $3. Next we have this face mask tubes, which is a game changer for outdoor running or other sports. I mainly use them for running because where I live is very cold, and when I run I have to breathe through my mouth because there are many uphills and all, but I mostly use it upside down with all black color because when I run I do lots of sharp movements and skull painting dislocates anyway. Each of these masks cost me around $3. Next I have these super cool adjustable rings to share with you. They're not just stylish but also super versatile. First up we got this dragon claw design. It's adjustable. It fits almost any finger size. This one, it's got a red monster eye on it. It's bold, eye-catching, and perfect for adding a little bit of edge to your look. And this last one, this ring actually glows in the dark. So if you're into accessories, these rings are a great way to add some personality to your style. Important note, keep them away from the water because they will lose their shiny color and catch rust. They cost me around $2 each. Next we still have accessories, but this time we have these pendants. First up, this one here looks like a crystal and it actually glows at night. It's got this mystical vibe to it. This triangle shaped pendant, half of it is made epoxy, giving it a sleek modern look. It's simple but stylish and really catches the light. Price of these things were almost $2 each. Next, I have this neon tape. It glows in the dark and I've been using it around my house to make things way easier to spot in a low light. I stick one of it to my stairs so now I can easily see them in the dark. No more tripping. And I also put it on my light switch so I can find it right away even if the room is pitch black. And also on my door handles, the corners of the table, you name it. And things that I need to watch out for. 3 meter long tape was around $2. Then we have this small sized green coffee mixer on a list. Small and convenient. It's USB rechargeable, which means no need for the batteries. Plus, it even comes with its own cable so you can easily charge it up whenever you need to. Whether you're mixing your coffee or protein shakes, this little guy gets the job done quickly, and it's so small that you can take it anywhere. If you want a compact, rechargeable, and effective mixer for all your drinks, this green coffee mixer is definitely worth checking out, and it was only around $3. Next we have this super useful car cable. This one charges pretty much all types of phones, and it's a total lifesaver when you're on the go. It's got 3 USB heads, so whether you've got an iPhone, Android, or any other device, you're covered. Price was around $3. And now, this is one of my absolute all-time favorites, my new mechanical automatic watch. First off, the watch doesn't need any batteries. It's mechanical automatic, which means it regenerates energy just from the movement of your hand. So as long as you're wearing it, the watch keeps going. How cool is that? It's called a self-winding watch. So as you can see, it has this moving thing from the back, which upon movement generates power. I still charge up the watch before I sleep so it doesn't die when it's laying still at night. It has this only button or whatever it's called, so it charges when you turn this thing up a few times. But if you pull it out like this, then you start to adjust the time. Simple as that. It also has this glow in the dark arrows. If I have to be honest, these arrows lose their glowing ability quickly at night. And check out the design. It's got that great classic look. The black and white shiny colors give it a sleek, timeless style that goes with just about anything. What really makes this watch stand out though is how you can actually see the mechanism at work, and it just adds this whole level of style that most watches don't have. The price of this watch was around $20. Now I want to share something that completely changed my driving experience. A silicone cover for my car's steering wheel. It may seem simple, but trust me, it made a huge difference. Before I got this, my hands would always slip off the wheel, but now with this silicone cover, I get a much better grip and my hands stay in one place no matter what. It's an easy upgrade that makes a big impact on your driving. It was about $9. Then I got a super cool little gadget for your car. This dash toy that's like a tiny aquarium right on your dashboard. The coolest part, the liquid inside actually looks like real sea waves. The ship is sailing on the ocean. Honestly, kind of hypnotic to watch, and it really adds a fun vibe to your car. The ship never sinks no matter how much the liquid moves. It just keeps sailing along. And we have this little whale too. If you're looking for a unique and relaxing addition to your car, this little dash toy is definitely worth it. It's a small, fun to watch, and a great conversation starter when people hop into your car. I sticked it on my dashboard with a double-sided tape. Important note, make sure you stick it on the passenger side, not on the driver side, because it's very distracting. I paid around $7 for it. Here's another car accessory, this phone holder here. Before I had this, my phone would always drop from the other phone holders, but this one does the job well since it is very good designed, and now my phone is safe when I put it there. It was only for $2. Now I'm showing you this awesome new light I've been using for cycling. This one flashes red and blue, plus it has a regular flashlight built right in. First off, check out the flashing red and blue. It's super bright and perfect for visibility, especially at night. If you need extra light, it also has the normal flashlight function. It's got a really strong beam so you can use it for more than just cycling. It's perfect for any situation where you need some strong, powerful light. It's USB rechargeable, no more worrying about batteries. It cost me around $6. Next, I want to talk about this budget-friendly dash cam I picked up just for $20. It has both a car view camera and a front view camera. So this inside view camera can be detached. It also comes with a 64GB micro SD card, which is a nice bonus. Now the video quality isn't super sharp, so you won't be able to read the car license plates, but the sound quality is actually not bad. It also comes with a really strong windshield sticker, so once it's mounted, mount comes with it too, by the way, it stays in one place. As soon as you start the car, the dash cam powers up and shuts down when you turn off the car, so you don't have to do anything manually. It automatically deletes old videos and rewrite new ones on it. You can select how long your videos you want to be. I personally have selected 2-minute long videos. You can also select from 1 to 5 minute long. It also takes photos too and comes with a manual that will easily teach you how to lock files that you want to keep after recording. Overall, for $20, it's not a bad dash cam to avoid all the unwanted problems that can happen on the road. And last but not least, I've got these amazing active noise cancelling headphones to talk about. If you're looking for peace and quiet, these definitely worth checking out. These headphones are incredible for blocking out noise. With active noise cancelling, which means ANC feature, they completely eliminate background sound. Even at the low volumes, you can literally just focus on whatever you're doing without hearing any distractions from outside. They last up to 60 hours, it says, on regular use, but if you turn on the ANC feature, you'll get about 40 hours battery life. So perfect for long flights, commutes, or just chilling. Difference between normal noise cancel and active noise cancel is that normal noise cancel headphones rely on the physical build. Active noise cancel headphones electronically cancel the noise. As you can see, you even have the button for it. And even if the batteries die, you can keep working with a cable. So it's also good for playing video games or watching movies, because people complain that when they have these Bluetooth headphones, they always delay sound a little. So that's not a problem anymore, because you can work with an aux cable or with Bluetooth. These amazing headphones cost me around $18. When it comes to linking the products, every time I link the product where I got it from, links always die after a short period of time. So it's pointless to link these stuff, but they're pretty easy to find on Temu. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button so other people can see it too. And if you subscribe, you'll have my blessings. Thank you for watching the video until the end, and see you next time.